Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use your Etsy gift card. Keep watching the video till the end. To use your Etsy gift card, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in etsy.com and make a search. Log into your account and the home page of Etsy's account will appear on the screen. Select a product that you'd like to buy and tap on it. Choose a pattern of a product and tap on Buy It Now. On the next page, choose a delivery address and tap on Dispatch Here option. Enter your card details and tap on Review Your Order. Now to use Etsy gift card, tap on Redeem a gift card or Etsy credit option. Enter a code and tap on Apply. This is how you can use Etsy gift card quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.